Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basic prerequisites: phone unlocked, connected to Wi-Fi, and charged above 20%. Once ready, open Settings and go straight to Notifications or App's right arrow Notifications. You want to find the app you care about now, tap it. Make sure battery optimization is off for that app, otherwise notifications may be delayed or blocked. This first step moves you from general readiness into specific controls, so act on the app notification toggle and prepare to customize its channels. Once done with the app overview, drill into notification channels or categories. Many apps split messages, alerts, and marketing. Choose the channel you want to hear, then set sound, vibration pattern, and priority. High priority bypasses do not disturb in many phones. Make sure lock screen visibility is allowed if you need glanceable info. Also enable badges, bubbles, or heads-up pop-ups where available, because visual cues complement audio. These middle steps tune how and when notifications reach you. You finish by testing. Send a test message or use the app's test notification feature and observe sound, vibration, and visual cues. If you miss it, check notification history and app permissions. Make sure notifications, background data, and auto start are allowed. If problems persist, restart the phone, then clear the app cache or reinstall. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable Do Not Disturb and battery optimization, retest, and reapply settings once you confirm notifications are functioning correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.